Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this diagnostic presentation focused on DTC P0498, which indicates a low voltage signal from the Evaporative Emission (EVAP) Canister Vent Shut Valve circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. The EVAP system aims to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, and its efficient operation is crucial for both environmental compliance and vehicle performance. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the signal from the vent shut valve is off while it is sending an on signal, it triggers this diagnostic trouble code, leading to potential maintenance actions. In this guide, we will outline the various components involved, possible causes of the DTC, associated symptoms, and a detailed troubleshooting process. Each step aims to help technicians comprehend the complex interactions and pinpoint the root of the problem safely and effectively. The error described by DTC P0498 involves the EVAP canister vent shut valve, a crucial component located within the vehicle's EVAP system. This valve is responsible for managing the release of fuel vapors from the EVAP canister, ensuring they do not escape into the atmosphere. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the valve's function and signals. When the PCM sends an on signal, but does not receive the expected return signal from the valve, it indicates that there is an issue, resulting in the DTC being stored in the system. The EVAP canister is typically housed near the rear of the vehicle, while the PCM is usually located in the engine compartment or under the dashboard. Understanding the roles and locations of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes of the DTC P0498, which technicians need to investigate. First, the EVAP canister vent shut valve itself may be faulty, unable to respond correctly to the signals from the PCM. Second, external wiring issues could be another contributing factor. These could involve broken wires or poor connections that disrupt the communication between the valve and the PCM. Third, there may be problems directly related to the PCM, which could result in it not sending or interpreting signals accurately. Each of these areas requires a detailed inspection to diagnose and rectify the fault causing the DTC. Symptoms associated with DTC P0498 can manifest in several ways that vehicle owners may notice. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signaling that the vehicle requires attention. Drivers might also experience reduced fuel efficiency, as an improperly functioning EVAP system can lead to increased fuel consumption. Additionally, the vehicle may trigger other emission control warnings, reflecting the system's attempt to notify the driver of potential environmental compliance issues. Recognizing these symptoms early can facilitate timely diagnostics and repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0498 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle without any load for at least 5 seconds, either in park or neutral gear. This action helps ensure the engine operates under normal conditions, providing a stable environment for diagnostics. Following this, you should select the Honda Diagnostic System HDS function for activating the EVAP canister vent shut valve, CVS, to on. This step is crucial as it allows you to monitor the valve's response and ensure that the PCM is correctly signaling the valve to operate as intended. In the second troubleshooting step, you will disconnect the EVAP canister vent shut valve connector to prepare for further inspection. It is essential to ensure that the vehicle is secure and the ignition is off before you begin this process to avoid any electrical shock or damage. Once disconnected, you will conduct a valve internal circuit inspection. The valve should show a resistance of around 25 to 30 ohms at room temperature. If the resistance deviates significantly from this range, it indicates that the evap canister vent shut valve may be malfunctioning and needs replacement or repair. During the third troubleshooting step, you will prepare to assess the IGPS Intelligent Gasoline Pressure Sensor and VSV vent shut valve circuits. You start by jumping the SCS service check signal line with the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to reset any stored faults. Allowing more than 1 minute after the jump prepares the system for accurate measurements. With the evap canister vent shut valve connector and the PCM connector A both disconnected, you should conduct inspections on the IGPS and VSV circuits. When power supply inspections are performed, the IGPS circuit should register a voltage of approximately 12 volts. While conducting checks for shorted circuits and open wires is crucial in identifying potential failures in the external wiring connected to the PCM. In the fourth step, you will continue with the circuit inspections while keeping the evap canister vent shut valve connector and PCM connector A disconnected. During this phase, the VSV should demonstrate a resistance of less than 1 ohm when tested for an open wire, indicating an intact circuit. Moreover, you will check the VSV for a short to ground. The resistance should exceed 1 megaohm. If either of these measurements falls outside the indicated ranges, it reveals a potential wiring issue that could be causing the DTC P0498. Identifying and addressing these wiring concerns is crucial in restoring proper evap system functionality. The final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the PCM itself. If all previous inspections indicate normal conditions for the evap canister vent shut valve and its related circuits, yet the DTC P0498 persists, it is highly likely that the PCM is culprits. Therefore, a thorough examination of the PCM should take place to check for any internal failures or malfunctions. If the other components have tested positively, technicians can confidently conclude that replacing or repairing the PCM will resolve the error indicated by DTC P0498 effectively. After completing all necessary repairs in response to DTC P0498, it is vital to confirm that all work has been performed correctly. This includes double-checking connections, ensuring that the evap canister vent shut valve operates as expected and that all circuits are intact. Once you are confident in the repairs, utilize the diagnostic tools to clear the DTC from the system. This action resets the onboard computer, thereby eliminating error codes from the system memory. Following this, it is important to perform a test drive to ensure that the issue does not reoccur, confirming the effectiveness of the repairs. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0498, regular maintenance of the evap system is recommended. Schedule periodic checks of the evap canister and its associated components to ensure they are functioning correctly. Any signs of wear or damage should be addressed swiftly, as these can lead to malfunctions affecting the vehicle's performance and emissions. Additionally, replacing components that show signs of deterioration or poor response can significantly enhance system reliability. Consistent attention to maintenance not only ensures compliance with emission regulations, but also supports optimal vehicle performance. In summary, DTC P0498 signifies a low voltage issue within the evap canister vent shut valve circuit of the Honda Accord 2023 and later models. It is essential to systematically inspect the evap system components, including the vent valve, wiring, and PCM, following the outlined diagnostic steps. Identifying the root cause is crucial for effective repairs and maintaining the vehicle's emission compliance. Additionally, Implementing regular preventive maintenance measures can greatly reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future. By following these procedures, you can ensure the smooth operation of your vehicle's emission control system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.